Okay, everyone, good morning. So I'll show my face para gegen na gegen. So magandang umaga. I'm Tina Sualto and I am a service center director based in Tagum, but actually I'm right here in Davao City right now. So good morning and welcome to our lifestyle and wellness challenge or create greater programs. Okay. And for this month, okay, alam nyo ba, 'di ba? This month is March, and for March we are celebrating the Women's Month. So, sino dito ang mga ladies? So you can type one on the chat so I can see the lady. The ladies. Hindi necessarily single. Just the ladies, okay? Wow, ang dami natin ng mga ladies ngayon, okay? So the rest na hindi nag-type ng one are men, okay? So sa ibang month po tayo sa mga lalaki. But for this month, we'll focus on women, ladies, kababaihan. Ayan. And for this presentation, we will be focusing on Gegen. But before that, the material, I'll have a disclaimer. The material appearing on this presentation is provided for information purposes only. As with all health and wellness information, always consult your professional healthcare providers before beginning any new treatment or program. The information given is not intended to serve as a medical advice and should not be used for diagnosis or treatment of a health problem or disease. This presentation is not substitute for professional medical care. The owners of this product's presentation and its affiliates assume no responsibility or liability for any consequence resulting directly or indirectly from any action or inaction you take based on the information found on this material. This presentation are for people seeking information on how to live a healthy lifestyle. It's not a substitute for working with a licensed healthcare professional. So kindly consult your guiding physician for your health concerns. But just to give you a thing, parang nakakatakot yung disclaimer, no? Pero actually, that's only for, in this reality, we have a governing body when it comes to anything that we ingest in our bodies, no? So, unlike before, you are asked to just take just go to your the traditional practitioner. So ngayon, meron tayong fina-follow na governing body. However, one good thing to note about DXN is our products are actually insured. Okay, lahat ng produkto natin insured siya. So if they find out that you ingested it in a proper way naman, no, okay, wag niyo naman inumin yung shampoo. Okay, kasi insured pala yung shampoo, pwede ko nang inumin, tas pag may nangyari sa'yo, 'di ba, makaka-claim ka, hindi po. So make sure that you're taking the products responsibly as well, na tama yung para sa inom, iinumin, ganyan. So yung para sa labas sa katawan, you also take it, as if it's shampoo, take it as shampoo. So lahat po ng ating products ay insured. So we are very confident. No insurance would also insure a product if it's not safe. Okay? So how many products in the market are insured? So yan, itanong nyo, yan ang number one plus ng DXN products. Okay? So, Gegen. Gegen denebe eke. so, ano no? So, Gegen or Pureria lobata is listed as one of the 50 fundamental herbs. And ito yung one of the earliest medicinal plant used in traditional Chinese medicine. Okay? However, ang ating product ay hindi lang siya Gegen. It's called Gegen Plus. Kasi hindi siya solo Gegen lang na Pureria lobata or kudzu root. Meron pa siyang 3 guiding herbs, additional herbs that also contributes to women's health, which is Peonia lactiflora or white peony root, Spatholobus suberectus, and Cinnamomum cassia. So isa-isahin natin yan this afternoon or this morning. Okay? So Pureria lobata, kudzu root, ang Latin name niya is Radix purere. Common name is kudzu root. Scientific name is Pureria lobata. And Pureria thomsoni bent, yung kanyang other name. Chinese name, hindi ko na siya mabasa, pero ang pinyin niya is Gegen. Okay? So it's a estrogen-rich herb native to Southeast Asia. And gamit ito as traditional Chinese medicine for the treatment of fever, acute dysentery, diarrhea, thirst, diabetes, and cardiovascular disease for thousands of years. So thousands of years na po ang track record ni Kudzurut. So magtatanong tayo, bakit wala pong masyadong information online about Kudzurut if ever yung mga English translation? Kasi ang thousands of years na study nito is naka-Mandarin ang kanilang naka-Mandarin. Okay? So bihira yung mga nagte-take time talaga to translate all of the medical records that involves Kudzurut. But again, this is one of the top 50 TCM herbs. So how did you get so lucky? You are part of DXN and we're getting all the best of the TCM herbs. Okay? So Kudzurut is often used in conditions like prednisone of fever, headache, dizziness, neck stiffness, extreme thirst, diabetes, diarrhea, limb weakness, and chest pain and alcoholism. Yan yung gamit niya. So again, later I will show you my sources, yung public sources where I got this. Hindi ko siya gawa-gawa. Okay, meron pong mga studies that also confirm this. Again, yung ating available studies lang online are the English translated ones. However, the thousands of years studies neto ay nasa China. So in their library, in their herbal records nila. Okay? So ang Kudzurut, nag-expel siya ng mga pathogen from muscles and skin to reduce fever. So maganda po siyang iti-take pag meron tayong fever. And if you notice, if you're a woman, if malapit na tayo magkaroon ng ating menstruation, do you also have symptoms of like para kang nag-fever or nag-heat up yung katawan? Tama? Tama ba? Tama o mali? If you have that kind of symptom, just type 1 in the chat. Kung meron ka din ganun na klaseng symptom. Do you have that or wala? So if you have that, you can type 1 on the chat to know if you have that. Like if you're having, if you're very conscious with your body, you will know ano yung symptoms na, uy, malapit na ako magkaroon. Okay? So Kudzurut it can also promotes eruption to detoxify. So pang-detox din siya. Okay? Kudzurut can reduce fever and it promotes fluid production. And it can also promote upflow of pure qi in spleen or pure energy in spleen and stomach to stop diarrhea. So pag may diarrhea, magandang add-on si Kudzurut. Pero basically, Kudzurut is the basic herb na ginagamit talaga nila for women's health. Because meron siyang ability to have it acts as an anti-inflammation, antibacteria, and it also expands blood vessels in the heart and brain, thus reducing heartbeating yung mabilis, and lowers blood pressure. And it's also muscle relaxant. So I also asked Miss Amy of DXN Malaysia, and she's also known to treat mga patients. And she told me it's a muscle relaxant, yung Kudzurut. So again, if malapit ka din datnan, one of the symptoms is, di ba parang yung lower back mo masakit or yung legs mo parang mahina. Tama ba? Or hindi? May mga ganun ba kayong symptoms before menstruation? Na yung parang weak yung lower back down to the legs. Or yung mga muscles mo parang masakit. Ganyan. Wala naman ako masyadong ginawa. Di ba may mga ganun kayo na experience. So, if may mga ganun kayong symptoms, to reduce that, ang gagamitin po ninyo is the Gegen. Okay? Kasi yan po siya ang magre-regulate or magsusupport sa inyong katawan. Okay? So, another wonderful thing about the Gegen is it can also regulate immune and blood sugar levels, and also for skin beauty and estrogenic hormonal benefits. So, good for our hormones. So, yan. So, yan ata ang mga gusto ng mga kababaihan. Kaya tama yung gegende ka na sa gegen. Okay? So, ako lang ata tumata. Sure lang. So anyway, modern TCM, yung ngayon na TCM, ginagamit na yung kudzu root in the treatment of, again, feverish conditions, intestinal flu, hypertension, pag merong dizziness, headache, or neck stiffness. Again, use this as parang, ano mo lang, alternative, pero make sure pag may dizziness po, you go to your medical practitioner also, ha? Kasi hindi natin alam ano yung cause ng inyong dizziness. So ito lang is yung parang kung ano lang yung meron sa bahay nyo, you can use it while at the same time asking for consultation of your physical healthcare practitioner. And then the next herb, so that's the kudzu root. So kudzu root is good for the muscles, for the hormones in summary, okay? And also good for reducing fever. Now, dinagdagan siya ng pini root, yung ating Gegen plus. Ang plus niya is the pini root, or in Latin, Radix peonia alba. Common name niya is white pini root. Scientific name niya is Peonia lactiflora. And ang kanyang pinyin name is Bai Xiao Yao. Ayan. Pwede nyo rin i-research yung pinyin name kasi yung pinyin name kasi minsan yun yung mas maraming information online. Okay? Yes, kemerut siya. So white pini root belongs to the root of Peonia lactiflora. It's a perennial herbal plant that is cultivated widely throughout China. So and then its major production provinces are Zhejiang, Anhui, Sichuan, and also Shandong, Guizhou, Hunan, Hubei, Gansu, Shanxi, and Henan. So, yan. Then, what's the benefit of pini root? It's often used to treat sallow complexion. So, sino yung mga mapuputla or pag malapit na yung, or during menstruation, namumutla. Okay, so you can add Gegen Plus to your diet. Okay, so it's also for people who have irregular menstruation, menstrual pain, excessive menses, yung sobra din yung mens. It's either irregular, konti, or sobra. So pini root can address all that. Pag meron ka din pong sweating problems like excessive sweat, pain in the chest, stomach and abdomen and limbs, headache and dizziness. Again, matched siya talaga kay kudzu root. It's a good match with kudzu root. White pini root enriches the blood, regulates menses, constrains yin, pacifies liver, relieves pain, and arrests sweating. Hello, welcome Turkey. Welcome DXN Turkey. And then, white pini root is commonly used. So, inulit lang siya. So, that's basically the pini root. Okay? So, again, pini root is good for if you have blood deficiency. Okay? Or maputla. Maganda ang pini root for that. And also, it can relieve pain. If you have, di ba maraming mga kababaihan din pag merong menstruation, their symptoms are very extreme to the point na yung iba cannot even get out of bed. So again, Gegen is a good assistant to that. The next we have Spatholobus. Okay, ang Latin name niya is Collis patholobi. Scientific name is Spatholobus suberectus dun. Ayan. Chinese name is Ji Shui Teng. Ayan. So, i-research nyo yung Ji Shui Teng. Yan po yung lalabas. Okay, dapat, kasi mahirap hanapin kung Spatholobus lang siya. So, ano itong Spatholobus? Spatholobus is the dried stem of the plant, of a shrub. It's a shrub. And it's mainly produced in Guangxi, Fujian, Guangdong, and Yunnan province. So, ito yan siya, yung purple. Yan yung flower niya. Pero yung ginagamit natin, not the flower, it's the stem of the vine. So it's a vine. Spatholobus stem activates and enriches blood. Again, it's also good for the blood. So it's also awesome, again, for menstruation. Regulates menstruation, activates collaterals, and releases tendons. So maganda din siya, again, for our muscles. And it's often used for conditions same sallow complexion, again, due to blood deficiency. So, kung ano yung effect ni white peony, same din si Spatholobus. All right. So, good siya for limb numbness, or if you have any paralysis in the limbs or body, if you have rheumatic joint issues and irregular menstruation, or if you missed your period. Ayan. So, that's why Spatholobus is awesome. So, Spatholobus can activate and enrich blood, and this herb is really suitable for women problems, especially if there is any blood deficiency na pag you have a menstruation, you are pale, okay? So para ma-beauty pa rin kahit may menstruation. Okay? If the problems are associated with blood deficiency, then Spatholobus stem can work with this, okay? And sinasabayan siya ng Rehmannia rhizome, angelica root, or white peony. So, ang nilagay ni Dr. Lim is white peony. Sa research, pwede siya with angelica root. So, si angelica root, meron din po yan sa ating DXN Syngy soup. Okay, nandun si angelica root. Pero hindi yan yung topic natin. We will be focusing on Gegen. So, si Spatholobus naman, it once again can relax tendons. And Spatholobus stem is a usual ingredient for meridian and collateral problems in the limbs. So, meaning mga energy flow in the limbs. Okay? And it's awesome for any joint pain. So, it's mixed with usually angelica root, clematis root, and mulberry mistletoes. Ayan. Pero sa atin, ang nilagay lang natin is the white peony root. Yun yung minix with our Gegen Plus and the Spatholobus. Next, we have cinnamon. So, yan yung pang-apat. Ito yung best friend ko, si cinnamon. So, dahil sa DXN, I'm beginning to consume cinnamon. So, hindi ko so best friend siya kasi it's not something that I really like. However, because of DXN, I'm enjoying the benefits of Cinnamomum cassia. So, this is the Chinese cinnamon. Ang Latin name niya is Camphoria cassia, and ang Chinese name niya is rugui. Ayan. So Chinese cinnamon is an evergreen tree. Kahoy siya, originating in southern China. And it's widely cultivated in China and in Asia. So ito yung isa sa mga several species of cinnamomum that it's used for its aromatic bark and used as a spice. Again, the Cinnamomum cassia is also one of the top 50 fundamental herbs in traditional Chinese medicine. So in Gegen Plus, dalawa yung top 50 herb mo. Okay? Plus 2 guiding herb that is a support to the Gegen, the kutsu root, and Spatholobus and white peony. So dinagdagan nila ng cinnamon. Why? So a little bit of history ng cinnamon. A mention by Chinese herbalists suggests that cassia bark was actually used by humans at least as far as 2,700 BC. So kung tatanungin mo, safe ba siya? Safe. Kasi since 2,700 BC pa siya, kinakain or kinokonsume ng mga tao. And it was a treatment again for diarrhea, fever, and menstrual issue. So why also diarrhea? Kasi di ba one of the menstrual symptoms ng mga babae is, di ba parang pag malapit na din yung menstruation, you also feel like lagi kang, you want to eliminate waste most of the time. Di ba? Pag ganun. So, again, this will help you ease the symptoms. So, Cassia cinnamomum was brought to Egypt around 500 BC. So, from China, dinala siya sa Egypt, where it became a valued additive to embalming mixture. So nilalagay siya sa pag-embalsama. And then in the Bible, it suggests that it's part of the anointing oil used by Moses. And the Greeks and Romans and ancient Hebrews naman ginagamit ito as a cooking spice. And people also made perfumes with it and used it for medicinal purpose. So cinnamon migrated with the Romans, and it was established for culinary use by the 17th century in Europe. Kung ngayon yung away ng mga countries is about oil and gas, in the ancient times, usually yung trade wars nila is mga spices, which is part of that is cinnamon. So very controversial din ito. And also the tsaa. Ayan, part yan siya ng mga global, malaki ang global history of tea and cinnamon and coffee. So what's the benefit of Chinese cinnamon? People take this by mouth for diabetes, again, gas or meron kang kabag, muscle and stomach spasms to prevent nausea and vomiting, diarrhea, infections, the common cold, and loss of appetite. Yan. So in summary, Chinese cinnamon can help with menopausal symptoms, menstrual problems, muscle and stomach spasms, high blood pressure, intestinal gas, joint pain, chest pain, common cold, and diarrhea. So the Gegen Plus is a wonderful benefit to our bodies. So in summary, Gegen Plus addresses majority of female or women concerns, especially during menstruation. So anything that also involves hormonal imbalances or joint pains. So yan yung benefit ng ating Gegen Plus. So do you think everybody requires to eat or to consume Gegen? So a lot of people will say, kailangan ko ba ang Gegen? Nag-RGGL na ako eh. So iba yung function ng ating Ganoderma, iba din po ang function ng ating Gegen Plus. So Ganoderma, our RGGL is our main herb. No, yan ang main food natin. Yung Gegen Plus is an addition. So if meron kayong, syempre lumalaki yung bonus nyo sa DXN. Syempre saan pa kayo bibili, 'di ba? So sa DXN na kayo bibili ng inyong additional pampaganda. Okay? So ang side effect lang naman ng ating mga products is ikaw ay gaganda. So my sources are from all of these links from PubMed, Shenong, and NCBI and NLM. Ayan. So later I will questions later, okay? So ang suggested natin na tagline, so for those in the Lifestyle Wellness Challenge, I know you need to, teka lang ha, who is speaking? Right. So these are our pwede mong gamitin as for posting. So we have the Gegen Decabesa Gegen. Or sorry, wala yung ba. Gegen Decasa Gegen. Ayan. Essential herb for women or a gift for women at any age. So you can use this on your Facebook post. Designed for women. Health support for women's hormone. Mga one-liner nyo pwede nyo gamitin and then you can post the poster or yung photo ng Gegen. Supports women's health with whole food herbs. Ayan. So yan yung pwede mong possible gamitin for posting. So magkano ang Gegen, Tina? So syempre, our Gegen Plus is pag 30 capsules, it comes in two forms, in capsule and powder. So in capsule, meron siyang 30 at 90 pieces. So distributor price ng 30 is 590. Customer price if you're gonna sell it is 710. Ang point value niya is 165. Sales value is 309. So you can just screenshot this, okay? So if you're someone who has hindi pa irregular yung menstruation, I really suggest Gegen kasi I know of a story of someone who took Gegen capsules for 10 capsules a day siya kasi irregular yung menstruation niya. Okay, if you're having pag regular yung menstruation mo, you don't need to take the 10 capsule. Tinaasan niya lang yung dosage niya kasi she feels like it's something that her body requires more kasi irregular yung kanyang menstruation. So she took 10 capsules. After taking that, kasama yung RGGL natin and Roselle and Spirulina, her menstrual, nag-regular yung menstruation niya. Okay? So that's the possibility of Gegen. And a lot of people ngayon are suffering from PCOS. Tama? So this one is wonderful aid. Okay, hindi siya cure. Remember guys, this is not a cure. This is just an aid to everything. All right? So, we have the Gegen Plus na powder and it's only 30 grams. And ang distributor, ang DP niya is 1,325. And ang customer price niya is 1,509. All right? And then with our other products, you can take it with pearl powder, spirulina, apple enzyme juice, morinzi juice. Pwede mo siyang isabay. Pearl powder natin, maganda siya sa liver, headache, and dizziness. So maganda siyang i-match kay Gegen. And then ang spirulina natin, since Gegen works with the blood, maganda siyang isabay sa spirulina. And then apple enzyme juice is rich in calcium, which is essential for strengthening the bones and teeth. Maganda siya for sabay kay Gegen. And also, Morinzi is an alternative herbal product that reduces menstrual pain also due to its analgesic and sedative effect that is very non-addictive. So, useful siya in regulating the menstrual cycle. Maganda din ang Morinzi. So, this is what I did, how I mixed my DXN products. So, first is I used 1 scoop lang of Mycove G. Mycove G is our 23 ingredient ang laman yan, mushroom and vegetables. Tapos nilagyan ko siya ng 3 pieces ng capsule. Syempre, tinanggal ko siya sa capsule. Wala kasi akong powder, guys. I only have the capsule. So, yeah, it's very risky because it's cinnamon. Cinnamon. Cinnamon siya. So, it was buwis buhay for me. Hindi ako fan ni cinnamon, but because of DXN and Gegen and its benefits. So nilagyan ko din siya ng pearl powder. I did not use the scoop. I just used my teaspoon, half of it. Ayan, half lang. So pwede din a little bit, pwede kang pag nagtitipid, pwede naman yung konti lang. Okay. So ang dami kasi namin pearl powder. Then next we have DXN apple juice. 1 sachet. Ubusin niyo po, huwag pong magtipid nito. Okay, 1 sachet. And then, ayan siya, full sachet, lagay mo siya. And then, lagyan mo ng water. So kung meron pang space sa inyong cup or glass, add it with water. So ano yung temperature? Room temperature lang. Okay, wag yung hot. Because we're using enzyme drink, dapat room temp or cold ang pwedeng gamitin. Then you stir it. Okay, make sure fast yung pag-stir, and then after stirring it, you consume it right away. Huwag mo na siyang patagalin at saka antayin. Okay, this is how it will look like. Make sure na dissolve mo talaga ng maayos. Again, don't put hot water. So yan, oh, ang mukha ko na, ayan, good morning DXN. So that's my morning drink. And that's how I consumed my Gegen. Ayan. So, ipopost ko lang. And then we will see here on the side magkano yung ating yung costing niya. Okay, in one sitting, kinompute ko siya. It's 374 pesos sa customer price. Pag distributor price, 299. Estimate yan siya ha. Okay, this is your DIY DXN beauty drink. In the market, ang ka-level ni DXN is 861 pesos ang kanyang rate per bottle, per 1 shot. Okay? So sa atin, it's only 299 if you're a member, 374 if you're a customer. Pero if you're gonna buy cheap collagen brands, no, at saka hindi ka sure sa manufacturer, it's gonna be 50 pesos to 340 pesos ang bottle, pero hindi ka sure sa ingredients. Again, yung ating ingredients are very clear. Kung ano lang yung herb, yun lang ang nakalagay doon. Okay? So, ano lang talaga yan siya. Mga whole herbs lang talaga yung nasa atin. So, if you are on the road to 3,000 ppv at meron kang kausap na babae, we have suggested women's wellness bundle. So, this one is using the distributor's price and then with the corresponding point value sa side. Okay, so ang total nito is 11,155 pesos and 3,100 PV. Ayan. So that's all for this morning. And what else is possible? Magandang umaga. And our next activity will be on June 15 to 16, 2024. Isa-scan nyo lang itong registration form or you can ask your uplines if you want to join the Cebu camp. And then our next Create Greater activity is gonna be apple drink, the enzyme drink, and the apple fermented jam on March 25, 2024. And it's gonna be on Monday, 5:30 p.m.